Hey guys, this is Pundom on Parama. Tonight on Imbewu, Ponyuga is conflicted by Mandlovu. Declarations to keep the events surrounding Slindile dead quiet. He tells Nomfundo and she vows to keep this secret for Ponyuga's sake, not the Bengus. While Kanyo see Nozinho wearing Slindile earring and is suspicious that Nozinho kills Lindile. Kulego delayed the video of Zetulele where the accident was happened, and it seems like Makosazana see Kulego watching the video and listening the video, while Kulego does not see Makosazana. Mazulu tell her son that everything that he do on the dark, it will be revealed. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.